So, we are going to do a book review about the Hiccups at number 13. So, this is a fiction book, and it's about a boy called Hamlet, and he has the hiccups, and his mum finds the hiccups really annoying. So, he has a sister called Susan, and the sister is older than he is. He doesn't really like his sister that much because everybody likes her. And then they try to find everything they can do to make him stop hiccuping. They even try to make him drink water upside down. And one time he had to go to the doctors. And then Hamlet ends up doing something really bad, and he has to write down all the animals A to Z. And then they end up going to the theatre, and then his mum gets the hiccups for eating too quickly. So this book doesn't really have that much description. If without the illustration, I wouldn't know what they look like. I'll even tell you the first page. Hamlet, All and Julius Cashier Brown had a problem, and it wasn't his name, it was the hiccups. Hamlet had the hiccups and he had them very badly. It does not say the description, so that's one reason why I would give it that's one reason why I would give it a 5 out of 10, because how would you know what they look like and the position and where they are without the description? And that's one reason. I hope you like this, and bye-bye. Well,